I'm super low in memory. The fuck? Okay, stay right here so you can't see them. Oh, cool. Andres, I found a good spot. Come here. I found a good spot. I don't know if we can get down there. Wait, is it down tree? What is that? Some Sasquatch shit? What the fuck? I don't like that. It's a down tree blocking the path. Let's go. How? Go. You want me to go first? Hey, I want to see you. I just want to see you over here. Oh, it looks dirty, dude. Is it straight down? No, there's no. Let me check it out. Let me go first. Get out. I said let me go first. It's kind of tight right here. We should have brought in our knife. The big one. Okay, yeah, come down. A little spot right here. Fuck, dude, this is so nice. Ooh, ooh, boy, what is that? Dude, this is a nice fucking spot right here. Can't believe nobody's here. Get it, boy! Should we let him go in there? What if we can't grab him again? You want to go, Max? Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Look at him. He wants to swim. Oh, Max, no. Max. Max. Come back. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him, dumbass. Get close. Grab it. Max. Oh, shit. Look at this. There's a little area. Hey, don't let him get on that thing. Look at these sticks. What do you think this is? A little gas. Look, a little gas tank like the ones we have. Huh. This is the spot. Wish we had a longer rope. Look it. Somebody was fishing here. I found fishing lures. Huh? I found some fishing lures. Some what? Fishing lures. Oh shit. Watch out, that means that there might be some over here and he's gonna get. Look at this. Kids? You think? No Sasquatch? Squatchy? Whoa. What is that in the tree? Max, no. This is secret cove. Let him go again. Go, Max, go. Go, go, boy. Max, come back.
Oh, gravel, dude.
Come here, boy. The current's gonna take you. That makes you want to go in.
Gravel, dude.
Max, come here.
Shit.
I want to go in too. Scared. I'm scared. I wish I had the waterproof phone. My iPhone.
Your GoPro, dude.
Like a GoPro, yeah. She had some hot dogs. Wait, I'm gonna throw something, see if he goes and gets it. Here, hold this.
Quick.
Here, hold this. Careful, it has Alright, Max. Max, you want it? Get it, boy. Max. Max, go get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. He didn't get it. Come here, boy. Good boy. I wonder if the harness gets in his way. I doubt it. Max. Max, you want it?
Here, boy.
You want it, boy? You want it, boy? Max. Go get it, boy. Get it, boy. He gets scared of it. Come on, Max. Come here. Here. Oh, she's with my phone. Sandals. Girl sandals. Why would those be here? Does she have extra ones or what? Nobody's watching us. There's a boat over there. What? Max! Max! Where is he? Max! Come on, boy! Come on, boy! Good boy! Come on, Max! What you good boy? What you good boy? He freaking loves it.
So cool here.
Yeah. This is the next spot.
Next, I think.
I think we should come here with family.
Get out of here, Flex.
I'm running out of space on my memory card.
Hey, dude. Let me get stuck.
Just hold on, put it in your cargo pocket, no? Well, I want them. Give me them, I'll take them. Oh, one of them's broken on one side. This one doesn't even have shit. This one's broken.
What's that? What's that, Mike?
This is a good one. I'm gonna keep this one.
Can I go get it? Hey. Go, boy. Hey. Go, boy.
Get it, boy! They have to throw something.
Yeah.
That stick right there.
Max.
Max. Max.
Oh, sorry. Max.
This shit is crazy right here. This rock.
Come, Max.
Look at Andres. Yeah. Look at the pieces of rock breaking off. Yeah.
He comes back, dude. To me.
Look at all these rocks breaking off from that layer right there.
Can you take some?
No, they're red.
Why?
They're red. Look at different kind of mineral or something.
Look at all these holes, dude.
I
There must be
know.
crabs.
Yeah, something. Stop, Max. Fuck. Get him away from me. He keeps following me. Get out of here,
Oh, he
Max.
likes
Go over
you.
there. Just let him go, see where he goes. You think he'll go up there?
Yeah.
Go, Max, go. Go get it. Go get it, boy. Max, get it, boy. Go get it. Go get it. Get it, boy. Throw it. Max, hit him. Hit him with it. Hit him in his butt.
Boy.
Go get it, boy. Get it, boy. Woo. Max, come here. Max. Come here, Max. I think he ran away. Oh, Max, get it, boy. Max, get it, boy. Max. Max, get it, boy. Get it, boy. Right there. Get it, boy. Max, get it, boy. Get it, boy. Ah, he left. I want to sit down in that spot right there. I'm gonna go here.
I don't want to hold that.
Okay.